Hello everyone and welcome. So there is a third day of scenario based real time question and answer. The question is that junior DevOps engineer, or maybe you are working in maybe different profile as well, but as per your job responsibilities and suppose accidentally deleted as a junior DevOps engineer or maybe DevOps engineer or maybe as per your day-to task accidentally deleted the state file, right, in production. So what step should we take to resolve this? This is the another scenario level of the question. So how you can explain about this scenario level of the question? So first you need to understand the concept of project, number one thing, and what is the state file. Already I discussed in Terraform multiple time. Also you can go to the playlist and you can watch there. But how you can explain about these question if interviewer asks, maybe the question will be very little bit, but if a state file is deleted, because in a state file there is a documentation, we have deployed 3-tier architecture or 4-tier architecture or something for backup or whatever. So how to explain these steps? So definitely, so you can explain uh, as per real time. So you can explain, sir, already I have done this task because in currently one of the employee as a this profile, his deleted profile, but unfortunately we don't have any backup, any these kind of things, but we have done this task in recovery purpose. So how you can explain? Simple, you can recover the backup. Number one thing, recover backup, right? So how you can recover backup? Definitely, if available state file, so you can restore the state file from a recent backup purpose if available in that case. So you can explain one thing, sir, if the recovery backup is available, so I can do this. And second one, you can explain, sir, we can recreate state file. Recreate state file. So you can add another point here. If suppose already there is a project or environment or state file, so suppose in this state file, suppose there is a no backup. Okay. So if the state file is lost, in that case I am going to talking, right? Because deleted means lost. So recreate a state file if no backup exists. Suppose already backup is not exist in that case, because there is a no backup exist, right? So in that case what you will do? Definitely you can explain, sir, if there is no backup, so I will manually, see, think about this, manually reconstruct the file or state file by inspecting. Definitely you will inspect whatever inside the state file you will use and you will write down manually. And because infrastructure and using Terraform import, already yesterday we discussed about the Terraform import command, so you can explain these kind of things. So using Terraform import for missing resources, we can do these tasks. You can add third one point, you can add many more things, depends on your knowledge or your work task, you can add here, right? And third one, you can add, sir, we will review. Definitely if deleted, so you need to review and prevent your state file. This is important. So you can add, so you can analyze the incident. Suppose what is meaning of this deleted or lost? This is your incident in production environment, right? State file deleted means one incident happened, right? or you can add here accident as well or incident, right? So suppose file is deleted, so who will responsible for this task? Core DevOps engineer, junior DevOps engineer, DevOps engineer, or development team, or cloud, or maybe different profiles. So you need to understand. So this type of implement, these are the preventive measure we are doing in production. Okay, so suppose state file is deleted or lost, right? So not to repeat in future, what you will do, what kind of step you will take, this is important. So as a core DevOps engineer, as a team leader, we need to ensure these kind of activities not to repeat in production and again. Suppose again it will repeat, what happened? Definitely lost your job, right? So you can add these kind of things. You can educate the team member recently join or best practices to avoid these kind of similar things in production incident in future, what you will do. So you can review these kind of things. And one more important things, suppose the file is lost, right? You don't have a backup like these kind of things, but why? Definitely your top manager will ask why you not taking the backup. If you reply sir, due to this we need to do this, again question will be put up why. Again you are going to say something sir, due to see it's my mistake, again he will put the question is why. So there is a why analysis why you do this kind of activities in production, because think about real time day-to-day activities is important in production, right? So suppose your team is adopting this multi-cloud or multi-strategies, manage different resource on AWS cloud or Azure cloud or Google cloud using Terraform. So how do you structure your Terraform code to handle these kind of things? This is the another question. So I will add in another tutorial so easily you can understand step by step how we can explain particular questions as a real-time scenario base, right? This is very important. So make sure how you can add your profile as a core DevOps engineer your day-to-day tasks and what I have done this, and if you face these type of scenario based questions, so how you can explain, so everything I will discuss in depth level step by step, right? So in this video I'm going to thanks and see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.